OpDots is a data visualization add-on for CRM, ERP, and other database systems that makes your employees and managers more productive in their daily tasks. Whether you use Salesforce or some other CRM system, chances are your employees use text listings like these to decide what their next activity should be. With page after page after page, nothing really jumps out here, and so it's nearly impossible to make good decisions quickly. Sometimes this leads to bad surprises. OpDots tackles this decision-making challenge in a very different way, a visual way. OpDots puts all the same information on one screen, with one dot per case. Now what you're seeing here is everything that was in all of those page listings. That's a lot of information, so it may look confusing at first, but let me show you how easy it is. For support cases like we see here, a dot's position, color, size, and shape tell us about the case's age, status, priority, category, or maybe complexity, and even how recently the last update was made. For instance, this big solid red dot is a customer-critical escalated case that's been open for more than 14 days, but hasn't been updated by the support agent recently. That's definitely an issue, since many of the other active cases are being worked and updated. You can tell that by the hollow dots. Let's check the details. Here I can see some basic information for this record. And if I want to access the full record, I simply need to click the dot. Part of the power of OpDots is seeing patterns to the dots. As we look across these support people, we see very different behaviors and results. This agent, Derek, is heavily loaded with many active cases spread through all of the case statuses. All of the circles show that he's working cases pretty evenly, including the aging ones. This agent, Ken, has fewer dots, which means he has a slightly lighter workload. But he's also letting older cases stagnate, as I can see from these solid dots. Having the full context here, patterns like this really start to pop out. That's part of the power of seeing everything at a glance. OpDots turns this daily planning time into doing time. OpDots makes it faster and easier for managers and employees to see, act on, and update their CRM data. To learn more about the productivity power of OpDots and to see other video demos, visit OpDots.com.